New York City. For generations, it has been a symbol of freedom, opportunity, new beginnings. Over the years, a unifying celebration has emerged that transcended these ideals into a global phenomenon. And it all began right here, Times Square. 1904. Hundreds of thousands amassed to celebrate the new year. While the maritime tradition of lowering a time ball has morphed into lowering a nearly 6-ton Waterford crystal ball with over 32,000 Philips LED lights, the meaning behind the world's most recognizable celebration has remained the same. Tonight, people from all over the world come here once again to gather and wish for a brighter future. As the clock nears midnight, the eyes of the world will turn once more to the dazzling lights and bustling energy of the city that never sleeps. Welcome to New Year's Eve.